hear something. My birthday flowers. I'm gonna tell you a trick that I always follow. It's so pretty. Today's the last day in my life that I'm gonna be in my 20s. We put 2 balloons there too. It's so nice. He does not like it when I have like a red lip. Oh wow, it's... And I never wear lip gloss.
20s, first.
So as we enter, we have... Everything is beautiful. See this really pretty cake. It's...
Welcome to Personal Vlog.
Yeah. Money, seriously?
Okay, I'll see you guys here.
Hey Sush, this is my top 30 to me.
Just top 30 to you. How you find your taxes?
Manu! 14,000 subscribers. Makeup is always a necessity.
My best is with my makeup, guys.
So cute, look at him. Woo! Look at Adi! Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing very well. Welcome to my 30th birthday vlog. Manjot had actually been planning a surprise birthday for me. Whenever he got time from office work, he would secretly blow up these balloons and hide it under the bedsheet. He even filmed little clips for you guys to see. I woke up on the 14th morning and I thought it was a normal day. And then as the day started progressing, I started getting some clues. We have tried to film as much as possible for you guys. So without delaying this further, let's get into the video. I hope you enjoy. Hi everyone, good morning, welcome back to my channel. It is going to be 10 in some time. Manjot's at the gym. I just finished making the bed, which looks so pretty. Anyway, I'm going to also make breakfast after a really long time. I am going to make French toast my style. Actually, I could also make egg bhurji with bread. I don't know what to do. Let's see. I'm going to make either one of them. Blinkit just... No, this is I think Instamart. Instamart just arrived. We got bread and bhindi and cucumber and other boring stuff. But anyway, I'm just gonna think about what to make breakfast, and it's just a normal day today. It is my birthday, so I still don't have... Like, I was thinking I'll get a skirt to wear with a shirt, so I might go out to the mall today to pick up the skirt. Let's see. But yeah, please keep watching. I hope you enjoy. I've mixed 5 eggs, milk, chili and salt. Okay, so I've decided to make French toast, the easiest thing. That's the first bread, which I love. I know a lot of people throw it, but I love it. And yeah, I just put this. Okay, so I'm done with all my French toast. This is the egg that was left. Okay, so I have made scrambled eggs. I'm gonna put on top of these and make them like a sandwich. Okay, so this is done. I'm gonna eat. I'm so hungry. I also have honey das. Manjot made for me in the morning, and then I couldn't eat it because I was really busy. I mean, eat no. Sorry, I'm Bengali. I couldn't drink it. So I'm having it now. I reheated it. Chalo Manjot, khide peche. We're gonna watch something. Let's Marry Harry. It's on Netflix, and I'm gonna watch the finale. How is it? Yummy? It is good. Let's Marry Harry. What is dal, bhindi, raita, beetroot and rice. And I'm not taking the rice because I just had tomato rice sometime back, but this is my plate. You can hear something. What is under there? As the day went on, I realized something was definitely happening because I caught Manjot blowing up balloons. After pestering him, he finally admitted that maybe, and just maybe, we were having people over that evening. And if you guys know me by now, you'll know that I'm a control freak. So of course, I jumped in to help. The flowers also arrived after that, and I was honestly so happy because decorating and organizing before guests arrive is my favorite thing. In a way, Manjot had kind of gifted me exactly what I wanted and what I love doing the most. To me? Oh wow, so cute! Wow! Guys, guess what arrived? My birthday flowers! Look at it. Beautiful! So pretty. Wow. This is crazy. And these... Okay, I am just separating the flowers. I'm gonna try and put the yellow ones here. Put the smaller ones in the puja table. And the bigger ones there. I still have to take this. Manjot is currently still doing this. And we just got our ironed clothes back. The way he's done it is so like satisfying. I don't know if I can even show it. Look. It's so nice. These are his turbans. Hey guys, I'm gonna tell you a trick that I always follow. Whenever I put flowers in a flower vase, I always take a pinch of salt and put it in the water. This way the flower lasts and stays fresh for a really long time. That's all. Look at how pretty this looks, guys. Wow, so pretty. We're literally done with the decor of this. It's so pretty. And then here we have like a photo session, like where we're gonna, not session, a booth. Kind of a booth. We're gonna, like, whoever stands here, they'll have the crown above them. My friends are really tall, so I don't know how that's gonna work. It's very pretty. I'm gonna do the sofa and make the bed now. Also above the bed, we've kept these stars. I'm currently making the bed, but also these here.
You guys can hear the excitement in my voice because of everything that was going on. Anyway, after that, I took a little buttermilk break.
Pasta budget. We have ordered plates. So apparently my friends are coming. Cups. A marker, because I want to sort of do like a Starbucks thing where I write everyone's name on the cup and just some emoji on it, just to personalize it a little bit. Hi guys, I don't know if I've shown you my face today, so hi, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing very well. Today is the 14th of August. One day left for me to become 30, which is crazy. Today is the last day in my life that I'm going to be in my 20s, but I'm excited for my 30s. It's going to be good. Let me give you an update. I just did my nails. Manjot and I, we have decorated the house. It was all Manjot's idea. He blew up all the balloons. I just helped him put it up, like stick it on the wall and tell him where things should go. Let me show you. Wait, I'm going to turn on the light and then show you. Where's the light? So pretty. It looks very beautiful. So this is this. And this is where we're gonna take pictures. Manjot is busy playing the PlayStation. There you go. Puja table. I still have to do puja now. We also have these flowers you guys saw. And we have these flowers which are my favorite. We also put balloons. Well, Manjot has to put those back. I literally just cleaned the room. He's gonna put those back. Kitchen is clear. We have to throw the garbage. And we put 2 balloons there too. Oh, and we also put yellow fairy lights. The purple ones are kind of, you can't see them, but they're still lit, like very dim. But I put yellow ones. I might still use the purple ones. Maybe I'll just take all of them, make them into like a ball, and then put it in a glass jar. And then the glass jar looks really pretty with like small lights. Yeah, I'm gonna now do puja. Just dress up a bit because I'm gonna be 30 in some time. I have plans to stay up till I turn 30. So let's see how it goes. But for now, let's do puja and then let's get ready. Okay, I'm thinking of wearing this. I think it'll look nice. My parents also sent some clothes from home which I got portered. It's just a red shirt, the skirt. I got both from H&M. It's just really nice and comfortable. I think I'm just gonna wear this and stay comfy. Hello. Okay, so I am getting ready and I'm gonna do my makeup. I have like pimples on my face and I never get pimples, but great. I'm actually gonna use my new Clinique foundation, which I'm really excited for. When I was trying this at the store, I was in love. This is crazy. I've put a really thin layer of the foundation. It's so nice. It doesn't feel like I'm wearing anything. It's really light and it's giving me a glow. This is really nice. I'm going to let you guys know how long it stays for, because the Giorgio Armani one that I use stays for the entire day. Next step is concealer. I am really tired because I woke up early in the morning. I'm going to quickly blend it in with my fingers and get back. I usually just use my fingers for concealing. So Manjot every year custom designs a cake for me and sends it to this lovely lady who's very talented. She was also on MasterChef and she bakes a cake for me according to his design. So this here is also a surprise that I'm just excited to see what it is. And the cakes are usually very pretty, and when I see them first I don't feel like cutting them, and then when I start eating it, it's so good. It's literally the best cake. I wait for this time every year just to have the cake. It's so good. If you guys want like details, let me know in the comment section down and I'll leave her contact details. Okay, another thing that I'm going to use is this. Oh, they have a, but I'm just going to use my brush. I can apply it better. Okay, I actually switched to my cone puff. I have really dry skin, so I'm really scared that it's gonna turn out to be like mattifying and then you can see dry skin, but this is really nice. Next, I'm doing my eyes with my usual eyeshadow palette. Couldn't take myself seriously, so I just put some lipstick. This is MAC Mare. I am now going to put a little bit of red because I wanted like a really light eye and a red lip. Let's see if it works. I'm not very fond of red lip, neither is Manjot. He does not like it when I have like a red lip. But let's see, it is my 30th. So I'm using the Kylie Mary Keijo, and I don't want very red, so I'm trying to blend it and have like an ombre effect. Not bad, not bad. Let me put some contour blush and then I'll come back. Okay, so Manjot got the cake. Wait, I want to see it. Let's see it. Oh wow, it's so pretty! It's so beautiful. This is 1 kg. This is very beautiful. Stop. Oh my god. This is out of Pinterest.
Yeah.
Thank you!
You are.
Oh, it's so beautiful. Yeah. Okay, so I have done my makeup. I did like a really quick makeup. I'm also ready. I am just wearing a very loose and comfortable shirt and a skirt. The cake was so beautiful. I'm gonna go take some pictures now and then start just enjoying with Manu till people get here. I'd also gotten this little diamond necklace during my wedding, and it was gifted by a family friend, and I wore it for the first time today because it's just really subtle and I love it. And I never wear like thin chains, but I don't know, I just thought of it today as like my birthday, so here you go. Okay, I'm finally ready. I put on some lip gloss and I never wear lip gloss. I don't know, it just felt right tonight. Manjot is behind me as you guys can see. Manjot, you want to say hi? Let's get this started. Ooh, cheers.
For your 20s that have passed, yours to come to the 30s.
To my 30s. Cheers. I'm going to quickly show you guys the house. It looks so pretty. So as we enter, we have the photo section. The usual, everything is beautiful. This is the drinks. And oh, we need to turn on the lights, but I'll turn on the lights after some time. This is where the cake cutting is gonna happen. And then we have the guest room looking beautiful. We also got like a lot of pizzas and garlic breads and everything for people. Then we have our room, and these are the balloons and fairy lights outside. That's all, but the whole house smells really nice. I sprayed stuff, and then the candles, it smells bomb. Guys, every time I open my fridge now, I see this really pretty cake. It's so pretty. I can't wait to open it. But I don't want to cut it. It's so nice. Okay, my friends are almost here. They're gonna come up now, so I'm really excited to see them.
Hi guys, welcome to Personal Vlog.
Oh my god.
Happy advance birthday.
Happy birthday! Ricky! So cute! I love Harleys. Yeah, me too. I mean,
Oh, you're going to turn 30, bro.
yeah.
Come to the club.
If you guys have watched all of my previous vlogs, probably seen all of these friends before. They're all my college friends and we've known each other for about 12 to 13 years. Since this was their first time coming to this house, I really wanted to give them a little home tour. We always met outside or at my mom and dad's place, so having them over for the first time was really nice. And knowing all my friends, even the house tour naturally turned into something very comical.
Bro, how old are these plants?
They're like since we got married.
Bro, you should have said some 200, 250 years. Then it would have been
Why are they very nice?
This is the guest room.
Okay, I can sleep here.
Yeah.
This is also very cute.
This is guest room.
Yeah.
This is the kitchen. Ignore pizza. Money, seriously? Guys, come here. This is our bedroom.
Oh wow! I'll sleep here tonight. It's so cute.
This is my dressing table and that's where I work. And that's our balcony.
That's very nice.
What is happening?
No, Manju's face is there, bro.
Yeah.
After that, they went to the kitchen by themselves,
Is it good?
opened all the boxes, and started eating.
This is from pasta street. Never had.
Oh, pasta is they're cutting them out.
Is it good? Yeah, no?
You always fire, Ella.
You don't even have to take it there, Manju. They'll finish it here only.
Okay, I'll see you guys here.
I've made cups with everyone's names on it.
So how cute. Thank you.
Manda, this is yours. Sandeep, I've drawn a flower next to yours.
Oh, thank you.
Hey Sush, this is mine. Talk 30 to me.
Happy birthday. Cheers.
Happy birthday.
Let's talk 30 to you. Have you filed your taxes?
How do you find your back?
Cheers. Manu, cheers.
He doesn't know how to dance. I dance like Gutti, bro.
Yeah, Manju designed this cake for me.
What a designer.
Do you want happy birthday to be this side or to be towards you? Because it will not be
Towards that side.
upstairs also. When we dance.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Hasna. Happy birthday to you. Our designer is here.
Only you get ice.
Hey, Upasna.
Oh my god, listen, I'm not sharing this.
Just look at
My
it.
god. Effie!
Our story how we met. All of us met. Because we are last benches.
Yeah, that's right.
We were the highest scoring. We used to score so good. Me and Upasna scored the highest. Please, we better start about it.
Manju is busy over
I just hit 14,000 subscribers. I'm just retouching her eyeshadows.
It's 1 a.m.
Makeup is always a necessity. Guys, I'm gonna retouch Sush's makeup, which is already really pretty. No, I'm really good at makeup.
Now she's invested, guys. So you better stay there.
Sure? Oh, you look so pretty.
My bestie did my makeup, guys. I hope you hit like and subscribe. Guys, we are not doing okay. And it's Upasna's 30th birthday. So come on!
At midnight, my parents called me on my phone, and Krishna's mom also had called on his phone to wish me. I spoke to both of them and then made them talk to each other too.
Happy birthday, dear Raka.
For the rest of the night, we laughed and danced and had the best time. At one point, Manjot even started doing bihu, which was the best thing. So cute, look at him. Oh, so cute, yeah. I love you. And then after such a fun night, it was time for everyone to leave, and slowly the house started getting quiet.
Lots of love, health, wealth, and happiness.
Love you guys. Love you.
And that's it for part 1 of my birthday. Manjot and I went to bed for a few hours because we had to wake up and head out again to celebrate the day with my family. Stay tuned for part 2. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. It means more than you know. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon for part 2 of my birthday vlog.